Is this soap training for the Olympics? Why is it so slippery?
My ears soaked, Cherry. Are you summoning chaos again?
I just wanted to wash my hands.
Ever heard of liquid soap? It doesn't launch itself across the room like a soap missile.
Good idea. But why are bar soap and liquid soap so different?
Ah, finally a question worthy of my genius. Prepare to be amazed. The answer is simple. Bar soap is the warrior of hygiene built for champions. Liquid soap, that's for amateurs.
So bar soap is like the superhero of cleanliness.
Exactly, bar soap is eco-friendly, lasts forever, and works harder than liquid soap, which just hides behind fancy bottles.
Right, so you're saying bar soap is for heroes and liquid soap is for weaklings.
Precisely. Liquid soap is just a cheat code for people who can't handle real soap.
Congratulations, Chatter. You managed to insult half the population in under a minute.
But what about those fancy decorative soaps no one uses? Are they real soap too?
Of course they are soap with flair. Too powerful to be used, mere mortals can only admire them.
Let's clean up this mess with some actual science.
Oh, tell me more.
Bar soap is made through saponification, a process where fats or oils mix with an alkali, like lye, to create a solid block of soap. Liquid soap uses a different alkali, potassium hydroxide, which makes it softer and easier to dissolve in water.
Well, so bar soap is like a solid block of clean, and liquid soap is clean in a bottle.
Exactly. Bar soap has been around for thousands of years. Did you know the ancient Babylonians were making soap around 2800 BCE? They used ashes and fats to create it.
Whoa, so soap is ancient magic. No wonder it's so slippery.
Something like that. Bar soap is eco-friendly, while liquid soap often has added moisturizers, making it gentler on your skin.
So they were both useful in their own way.
Interesting, so liquid soap is just bar soap's weaker cousin.
No chatter. Not weaker, just different.
Liquid soap is way easier. I just one pump, no mess.
Bar soap does attack you. It's solid, reliable, and slippery.
Fantastic. Now I have lavender-flavored coffee.
At least bar soap does need a pump to work.
Liquid soap wins the bubble battle. Look at this.
Congratulations, you've turned the bathroom into a hygiene battlefield.
Thanks, Hazel. Now I know bar soap and liquid soap are made differently, and they both have pros and cons.
Exactly, bar soap is great for the environment, while liquid soap is more convenient for daily use.
And the ultimate winner is hygiene itself.
Next time, just use a soap dish for your bar soap.
Or stick to liquid soap. No more flying bars.
Or combine them into a bubble cannon.
Did you enjoy the soap battle? Like and subscribe for more fun and curious questions.
And maybe leave a comment. What's your favorite soap bar or liquid?
Stay tuned, future geniuses. Hygiene heroes never rest.